All right, welcome back. So in today's explainer, we're diving into something that is literally flipping the script on how digital content gets made. We're talking a complete start-to-finish workflow upgrade for you, the digital creator. And it's all powered by this week's most explosive new AI tools. I mean, from the absolute first spark of an idea to that final, glorious render. AI? Yeah, it's not just a cute gimmick anymore. It is a full-stack production assistant now.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Just imagine, for a second, a completely seamless pipeline where AI isn't just taking orders, but acting as an active, intelligent collaborator at literally every single step of your creative process, right? We are talking about tools that actually help you brainstorm, generate absolutely perfect visuals, edit your videos sequentially, and, thankfully, clean up your messiest production audio.
So, here's our roadmap for the explainer today. First, we'll hit AI research and ideation. Then, pixel-perfect image generation. Third is next-gen video and fashion. And finally, advanced post-production tools. Let's jump in.
Section 1. AI research and ideation. Beyond the chatbot.
So Google DeepMind just dropped a system called the AI Co-Scientist. They actually just published this in Nature. Now listen, this is not just another chatbot that summarizes a PDF for you. Not at all. It is a multi-agent AI system built to be a true research partner. I mean, think of it like giving yourself an entire room full of specialized AI scientists. Crazy, right? And they constantly brainstorm, debate, and challenge each other's ideas.
Let's move to how this builds, because when you hand this system a goal, say finding a new treatment for liver fibrosis, it doesn't just spit back a generic wiki answer. First, it actively generates entirely new hypotheses on its own. Then, those specialized agents actually debate and refine the ideas internally, basically critiquing each other to self-improve their logic. And finally, it proposes real-world actionable experiments. This completely changes the game for how researchers and creators filter through massive amounts of info to find that next big direction.
Section 2. Pixel-perfect image generation. The L2P leap. Okay, so to really grasp why L2P is such a massive leap, we kind of have to look at how image generation normally works. Traditional models build images in a compressed dimension. We call that latent space. It computes super fast, but then it has to unpack that image back into actual pixels that we can see using a thing called a VAE. It's exactly like packing a suitcase way too tight for a trip. When you finally unpack it, well, your clothes are going to be wrinkled. You lose some of the crisp details. But L2P? It completely throws out the VAE and the latent space altogether. It generates the image directly in pixel space. So no tacking, no unpacking, just direct, pure creation. And because L2P completely axes those VAE and latent space steps, you get zero compression loss. Zero. What does that mean for you? Well, it handles up to 4K resolution natively, and it's even capable of 8K extrapolation. In recent benchmark testing, this new pixel-based diffusion model is straight up outperforming the top open-source latent models on the market right now. So for a creator, the visual fidelity of your final project just got a massive, completely uncompressed upgrade.
Section 3. Next-gen video and fashion. Ultimate control.
Let's look at this system called Cog Omni Control. You can think of it basically like a control net, but for video. You start off by inputting a super rough abstract sketch, or, and this is amazing, even just a basic pose skeleton. Then you toss in a reference image of your character and a text prompt. You know, like telling the AI to put them in front of a modern building with lush green plants. The AI then churns out a full video that faithfully locks onto the skeleton's exact motion, the character's exact look, and the prompt's background. It gives production workflows exactly what we've been begging for: strict, reliable adherence to your creative direction.
Now, once that video is cooked, you'll probably want to tweak it, right? Well, ByteDance just dropped Lance, which is a 3 billion parameter unified multimodal model. What makes Lance an absolute game changer is that it does multi-turn sequential video editing, meaning you can take a video and edit it step by step by step. First, you might prompt it to make your subject's hair longer. Cool. Next turn, you add a floral headband. Then you swap out the background. It actually remembers the context sequentially. It gives creators true turn-by-turn editing power directly through text, which honestly completely eliminates the need to constantly bounce back over to Premiere or After Effects just for minor asset changes.
But hey, what if your content is live, or maybe focused heavily on e-commerce? Enter Alibaba's Fashion Chameleon. This is a real-time virtual try-on system built specifically for video. You just provide an image of your model, give it some different pieces of clothing, and boom, it streams a video of the person actually wearing those items. The AI seamlessly swaps the garments right during generation, and it does it without breaking the person's natural motion or stability, which, if you've been following this space, has historically been the single biggest bottleneck for generative video.
Now, what's really interesting about this number here, 24. Fashion Chameleon is hitting almost 24 frames per second running on just a single GPU. It uses this really smart, training-free cache rescheduling trick, letting it handle garment switching at speeds that are, get this, 30 to 180 times faster than existing baselines. I mean, if you run a live e-commerce stream, your models can now literally switch outfits in real time at full video frame rates. Incredible.
Section 4. Advanced Post-Production Tools. Audio and Speech. Every creator knows this pain. Real-world audio is almost never perfectly clean. Well, say hello to Mega ASR. This is a speech recognition model built entirely for messy, run-and-gun, on-the-ground audio. The team actually trained it on 2.6 million samples across 7 core acoustic problems. So whether your audio is buried under a ton of background noise, completely drowned in echo and reverb, suffering from weird electronic distortion, or recorded from way across the room, Mega ASR isolates and correctly transcribes the speech. Basically, speech recognition is finally stepping out of those pristine, clean demo rooms and into the real world.
In fact, Mega ASR boasts a massive 30% performance gain over the other leading open and closed models when it comes to these super difficult acoustic environments. It gets the text right when traditional models are just spitting out total gibberish. And honestly, the best part? The entire thing is less than 5 gigabytes. That means you can easily run this on most standard consumer GPUs. And you know, this perfectly illustrates a running theme we're seeing today, cutting out the middleman. Just like L2P did for images, Meta's new Waveflow model is doing exactly that for sound. Waveflow basically takes a silent video and generates perfectly synchronized audio effects for it. But instead of compressing the audio into a latent space to compute it, which is what all the traditional models do, Waveflow completely skips that step. It outputs the sound directly in raw waveform space. By ditching the compression step entirely, it delivers way cleaner, way more realistic sound effects that sync up perfectly to the action on screen.
So the crucial point here is that high-quality sound is more accessible than ever. Finally, to score your entire project, Stability AI just released Stable Audio 3. What makes this such a huge deal for solo editors is how remarkably accessible it is. The medium model is tiny, just 1.4 billion parameters, taking up only about 10 gigabytes. So again, fits comfortably right on most consumer GPUs. But despite that small size, it can generate incredibly high-quality audio tracks and soundscapes up to 6 minutes and 20 seconds long from just a simple text prompt. Oh, and it's also fantastic for audio in-painting, meaning you can take a small snippet of your existing audio, easily modify it, or seamlessly extend it out.
All right, so from having an entire room full of AI co-scientists brainstorming your next big idea, to rendering uncompressed, pixel-perfect images, having total turn-by-turn control over video generation, and nailing flawless audio post-production, the solo creator now genuinely has the power of a full Hollywood studio right on their desk. So I'll leave you with this provocative thought to ponder. As these models keep shrinking in size but absolutely exploding in capability, which of these tools are you going to implement first? And how is it going to completely rewrite your production timeline? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.